Right, I am here in a nice rainforest with Ryan Green, who is interested in filming a documentary. So Ryan, why are you so interested in documentaries?
I really enjoy them because they tell a lot of factual things about things you may have never heard of before, like other animals, dead species you may not have known about, that type of stuff.
What type of documentaries do you like?
Documentaries of extinct creatures like a megalodon or titanoboa.
If you did a documentary, what would it be about and why?
Mostly about probably Maine Coons, as they're the largest type of house cats you could get around, or probably a lion, usually in the savannas, because the amount of fur they have around their heads, the amount of heat they sit in.
Is there anything you like more than a documentary?
Horror films,